Hello friends, this is Heather, the Fed Up Foodie. You're probably wondering why on earth am I doing a scrambled eggs video, the most basic of recipes. The problem is I keep seeing all these recipe posts claiming that they have the secret to the best scrambled eggs. However, there is many ways to make amazing scrambled eggs as there are ice cream flavors. But there are 5 basic techniques to making delicious scrambled eggs that you can totally personalize. Number 1, add the salt before whisking the eggs. Yes, I know I goofed in this video and added after whisking, but doing this allows the salt to dissolve and disperse in the eggs. In other words, you'll have well-seasoned eggs. Number 2, use a nonstick pan. I am definitely not a fan of nonstick cookware. The exception though is using a healthy nonstick pan for scrambled eggs and a small amount of other recipes. Trust me on this one, the nonstick pan will make your scrambled eggs life so much easier. Number 3, add a small amount of fat to the frying pan before cooking. Fat will add great flavor and give the eggs a wonderful texture. You can use butter, lard, avocado oil, the choice is yours. Number 4, control the heat by cooking on no higher than medium heat. There are times when low heat is appropriate, however most of us do not have the time to wait for eggs to cook on low heat. Number 5 is all about agitation. In other words, how frequently the eggs are stirred while cooking. Stirring frequently will create small curds, while stirring slower will create larger curds. Bonus secret that really isn't a secret at all. Cook your eggs to your preferred doneness. Some people like their eggs soupy, but I personally like my eggs to just glisten slightly. Make sure to check out this recipe at thefedupfoodie.com, where I do a deep dive into the fun variations you can make with these scrambled eggs.